During our month in Lagos, Portugal, we took advantage of the train and bus system, first taking a train east to Portimao for a fare of €2.20 one way. Even though we arrived on a Tuesday, the northern side of town was pretty dead as we walked south toward what we hoped was a busier center. Farther down, things started to liven up. And as it was late November, Christmas decor was already up, including a cart roasting chestnuts. By the Jesuit convent in Republic Place, a giant Christmas tree was being assembled. We'd planned on being in Europe for Christmas this year, and we'll cover that in upcoming videos. Just like in Lisbon and Lagos, beautiful tiles decorated some buildings. And by the Municipal Theater, the 1st of December Park celebrates Portugal's regained independence from Spain in 1640, with mosaics on the park seats depicting scenes from the war. As we got to the waterfront, it was lunchtime and we found a charming place nearby that served an incredible prawn skewer. Cooling our heels later on a bench, I noticed a nesting pair of storks, and then several other storks. The one nest was taken over by a seagull, and one atop a crane was empty. The abandoned crane is emblematic of Portimao's lost golden age in the 19th and early 20th centuries, when it was a major fishing and fish processing center. A fishing village since pre-Roman times, fish canning boomed in the 1800s, and assembly lines were running until the 1980s recession closed them down. The museum is a converted factory, and tourism is now the dominant industry. The museum's lower level presents the Ocean Revival Project to create the largest single artificial reef in the world. Rather than walk back to the train station, we just grabbed a bus close to the waterfront and rode back to Lagos. Our second day trip was west from Lagos, again by bus, to Sagres, on the far western tip of Europe. The town has been a holy place for millennia, and its name is derived directly from the word sagrado, or sacred. Weirdly, it is the western end of the longest Great Circle path on Earth that you can follow without hitting water until you reach Xinjiang, China. The town of Sagres is small, under 2,000 permanent residents, though it's a popular destination for camper vans, with parking and beach access right in town. And surfers. Lots and lots of surfers. But you soon realize it's the chill vibe that draws everyone here. For our lunch, there weren't a lot of options. The restaurants closest to the center were unappetizing touristy spots. Fortunately, a few blocks away, we found a local place that was open and had a wonderful meal. The most visited site in Sagres is at the base of the Cape of Sagres. The Sagres Fortress was originally built around 1443 by Henry the Navigator, but most of what stands today was built in the late 18th century. It's a nice walk to the end of the Cape, and clearly a good place to fish. Back in Lagos, we'd packed up most of our luggage into our 2 big suitcases and shipped them ahead. Traveling by bus to Sevilla, then by train to Barcelona, Lyon, and finally into Belgium. We were ready for the Christmas season, visiting 14 Christmas markets in 7 countries, so stay tuned for our European Christmas extravaganza.